Here's a 2024 update for the Bedford Marketplace. You're going to want to check this out. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty, your go-to source for all things real estate and lifestyle in beautiful Corona, California and the surrounding areas. And today we're going to give you an update on the Bedford Marketplace in Corona, California for 2024. It's coming along. We've had you guys take the journey from the beginning when it was kind of dirt to now where things are almost all in place and rolling along. But we like to keep you updated in case you don't live directly in the area, in this particular area of Corona, that, you know, there's really great things coming up, and we want to make sure that you are well aware. And as you see, I have Koa Boa, our new friend Koa. We rescued him a few months ago from the Wildemar Animal Friends of the Valleys in Wildemar, California, the shelter, and we love them. Rocky Kanaka has an amazing station, so go check him out. The shelter just built a new clinic, so go check that out as well. It's just amazing. But anyway, his name's Koa, and one of our dogs that's 14 is not getting along with him, Toby Bobby, and so he is my real estate sidekick. So you're gonna see him a lot and hear him a lot in a lot of the videos until we can get training. We have training going on every day, and so hopefully they'll, you know, it's never easy for us when we rescue, but we're going to keep rescuing because it's so worth it. And anyway, he's a really good boy, and he's one, and he's my little sidekick for today. So back to Bedford updates in 2024. So one of the things that has irked me in the past is I love Amazon. I will plug them all day, all night. They own Whole Foods. They have Amazon Fresh. Just love them, love them, love them. However, they've been opening a lot of Amazon Fresh grocery stores, which are super modern, super cool. I was super excited. People in the community moving in were super excited, and they didn't open. A year later, they didn't open. And so luckily this mall is still under construction, and you know, the Bedford Marketplace, and new things are coming constantly. So I have posted about this a few times that, hey, it's Amazon. If you're going to open a store. Don't let it sit there, because A, that hurts the other people in the building or other people in the complex. It also, you know, you want a grocery store. You were promised something when you moved in, and you can clearly tell it's an Amazon Fresh. They're the only ones with a scanner. And so it's just a big bummer for everyone when something's supposed to open, and then you're like, oh, well, I heard this. So someone posted in the We Are Corona, one of our local websites, and my son brought it to my attention. I was checking, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I missed it. And he said that, or they had said that they reached out to Amazon, because I was about to do the same thing, because I'm like, you can't just not have anything there. What's going on, you know? And so they were coming, and then they pulled out, and then blah, blah, blah. I know with a lot of the digital things where you're pulling things off the shelf and it automatically comes, you know, adds to your total, and everything's digital, there are glitches and things. Like 7 years back when they were like testing things, there was a lot of glitches as far as that was concerned as well. But the biggest thing is, are they going to open? And so they were saying in the post that because I'm like, Sprouts can come, or Whole Foods can come, you know, but along with that, Amazon is part of Whole Foods as well, so not that easy. But anyway, they are planning on opening, which is surprising and exciting at the same time. They said by the end of 2024, which is a long time when it's already been a long time. But you have to look on the bright side of things. Sometimes there's glitches, sometimes there's problems and headaches, but as a community, it will probably be another 6 months or so before Bedford Marketplace is all the way done, maybe a year, and that will be just in time before it's sitting there vacant when everything else is open. So by the end of 2024, an Amazon representative said that they are opening it. It is going to be an Amazon Fresh, and they still hold the lease, and they are planning on opening the doors in 2024, or by the end of 2024. So that is amazing news for the community, amazing news for us, and I'm excited for Amazon as well. But you know what? Work out your glitches before you open a store. That's all I've got to say. Anyway, so we're going to move along. So that's Amazon Fresh, and they still are planning to come. Like I said, I don't have a crystal ball, but that was what was said, and that was actually from an Amazon representative. So great job posting that. Whoever posted that, thank you. And thanks, Taylor, for sharing that with me, because we like to keep you updated with all of the best things. Anyway, we're going to move along. If you see to the right of me is all bricks and construction, which Koa has really liked watching the things being built. Construction dog all the way, real estate all the way, go Koa. And so it's going to be an EoS Fitness, which if you've never heard of that, I had never heard of that. I've seen some of the stores as I'm driving around, or some of the buildings as I'm driving around, but I didn't know what that entails. Is it going to be a Planet Fitness, an LA Fitness, what's going on? And so really unique fitness center. I'm pretty excited about it, actually. They have things like a full screen movie, like workout area with a full wall-to-wall movie screen that you can watch stuff on as you're working out, like Move-E. So they are pretty witty with different things as well. They also have like cryo different things, cryo chambers, and I think a cold plunge at the different facilities as well. They have different levels, so you do pay like a startup fee, and then it's a low monthly payment, and they have different plans for different lifestyles, so that you can if you want to go to a lower plan, you can. If you want to go to a higher plan, you can. But they have spin classes, they have a swimming pool, they have a spa, they have free weights and different things like that. So they add a lot of different steam rooms and saunas. So like I said, all of them don't have that, but there is a plan where you can just go to yours, or you can go like upgrade it a little bit, and you can go to any. So those are just some of the amazing features that they offer, which are very unique to that brand, because for a lower price point that you're paying per month, you're getting a lot. So they're very excited about this coming. So we'll show you some pictures in the video of how big this is going to be and how exciting it's going to be. It fits right in to the work, life, play. Hi, this is what we get. Say hi. Oh, I love you too. There we go. You got some behind the scenes right there. So that's going to be very, very exciting. And just they have a lot to offer, so definitely go check that out. Sorry we had to put Koa Boa back in the car. Like 10 minutes was a long time for him to stay in one place. But anyway, we're going to keep moving on. Real life coming at you now. So one of the other new things that is having a soft opening right now, that's at the beginning of March, which is when this video is being filmed. Is Utopia Sushi and Ramen. They put that up really quickly. People were working hard, and like it looks really great in there. Koa also loved watching all of that stuff go in. I don't know, you know, the Koa the construction dog. But anyway, so the owner seems very nice. They brought all the things in. There's nice booths in there, so there's a lot of places to sit, but it's more of like a faster sushi place, but kind of an in-between, more like a, I would say, Subway type sushi. And I'm not knocking them. It looks really, really nice in there, but like not a fancy restaurant, and not a like to-go window. It's kind of got seating and everything in there, but looks like if you had to go on a lunch break in 45 minutes or an hour, you could go in there, sit down, eat, and then be done. So it looks really great. That's again Utopia Sushi and Ramen, and they're having their soft opening right now. So within the next couple weeks, I'm sure it'll be ready to go. Next to that, obviously, is Crumble Cookies. And if you haven't tried Crumble Cookies, it's amazing. Once again, we're in Corona, California, off of Cajalco and the 15 freeway. And so Crumble Cookies is amazing. they also love Koa. Koa also loves them. He doesn't get to eat it, but he loves the smell and loves to visit. So they have delivery, they have pickup that you can order on the app. Olivia Rodrigo has a Guts cookie coming out. So wherever her tour is around the United States, Crumble Cookie has a special Olivia Rodrigo Guts cookie that will be in that shop for I think a week or somewhere around there, a couple days of the tour. So you can check their website. For ours is I think April. It's going to come to the Corona store. So not only do they offer occasional cakes and fun, unique treats on top of all their other cool cookies, but they offer now an Olivia Rodrigo cookie called the Guts Tour and the Guts Cookie. So it's really cool, and you can check that out. And moving next to Crumble Cookie is a Spin 22, which is a spin class. And let me tell you, from when they open, you see like their classes look pretty packed in there, and it looks like it's just spin classes, and it's called Spin 22. People go in, come out. That's an amazing place. And then far back kind of in the corner, which I love that it's like away from everything, is going to be the Hampton Inn, which I've been monitoring since the beginning when it was dirt, and it's almost done. I mean, it looks, I'm sure with a hotel, you have a lot goes onto the inside of the building, but the outside structurally is almost complete. So within the next few months, I'd say maybe 3 to 6 months, that should be opening as well. Which is really great because they're adding a lot of hotels, whether it's to Dos Lagos or Bedford on the 15 freeway, just to accommodate all the people that are going to San Diego or going to Vegas or different places like that. And then also there's a Chase Bank just opened, which we have Chase Bank, so that was a really great thing to have open. It's small, it has a drive-through, and it has a drive-up ATM, and it also is really modern and cool in there, even though it's small. The staff is really friendly and nice, so if you have Chase Bank, that's a really great addition to this mall. They have things like Carbon Health, which is an urgent care, but it's for the modern ages of urgent care, not the wait 45 minutes until you get in urgent care. So that's a really exciting thing. And then Kitty Academy, Schools First, Roll 'em Up Taquitos, Starbucks, Quick Quack Car Wash, the Joint Chiropractic Care, Everbowl is here. There's a nail salon, and just so many great things that are here. And Kitty Academy looks really great too. It looks packed. Everybody looks happy. The kids look happy playing. So I'm really happy for that owner that they really wanted to make a difference in a kids program, and they created the Kitty Academy. So it's awesome. I'm so excited for them. Just love being in the community. Love the business owners I get to meet and the wonderful people, and love to help all of you out, so that if you need an urgent care, or you need a Chase Bank, or you wanted to know what was going on with Amazon Fresh, we can help you out doing giving you information, providing value to you guys, so you know exactly what's coming to your community. If you live here, if you're living around the area, that you know what's coming near you, or if you're relocating to the area, you know we have so many cool things coming up, and we are going to cover all of those for you. So definitely stay tuned and check out our channel at Vivid Lifestyle Realty. We have a lot of videos on what's in the area, what's up and coming, some new home builds, models, just how to care for your elderly dog, because we love dogs and we're passionate about animals and kids, and just doing all we can for them. And so we have a few of those filtered in, so please go check it out. And if you want to see anything else, leave them in the comments. We'd love to hear your suggestions so that we can provide even more value for you guys. And then also another cool thing that's coming is a gas station, and I don't remember which one it is. We can link it below, but it's a gas station with a full store. It's coming along and it looks great. I thought it was a Circle K, but I will definitely leave that in the notes below. And so that's coming to the general area. I think it's funny with how many electric cars are coming out that they're just building gas stations still on every corner. But I do think, just little prediction for me, I think gas stations are also going to have chargers in the future so that they can, you know, find different ways to accommodate what's coming for the future, because I don't think gas cars are going to be going away for quite some time, and I think electric cars are getting more popular, so they need to have a place for both. And I think that will be exciting to see what that holds in the future. Tell us what you think below. Do you think that gas stations are going to be around forever? Do you think that they're going to make chargers in the gas stations? What do you think is going to happen? I'm so curious to see what you guys think. And also, there's different plots of land here too that still have not been built on. So if we hear anything, if a little birdie talks to me, or if I go out in the community or to a city hall meeting and find out what's going on, I will definitely let you know. But I'm very excited about the Amazon Fresh. I hope you guys are too. And if you are relocating to the area, please feel free to contact us, whether it's now or in 3 years. We love to be a resource and to provide value. It's always great to just be able to call somebody up, ask some questions, you know, get some buyer guides or seller guides or what the process looks like, talk to a lender. We've got all of those things covered for you if you need anything. And we will definitely keep you posted. And then, of course, one of my favorite places on the planet is Starbucks, and this Starbucks in Bedford is one of my favorites. The manager, Jill, is amazing. The staff is amazing. I just love to you know, to get to know everybody and just be that person that makes you smile when you come through, because they certainly, you know, when you get out there and you know the community and you know the businesses, they certainly make me smile. So I always like to give back, whether it's dropping off crumble cookies to Starbucks or bringing my dog by crumble cookies because they love him. So it's really good to get out there in your community, and when you're out here going around and really digging for great places for you guys to see, I get to meet amazing people and find out all the amazing things that are happening in our community behind the scenes. So I hope you found this helpful. We are so grateful for all of you. We hope you're having a great March. You know, I hope this is your lucky month. Rates continue to drop and the market continues to normalize, because that's what we're seeing and we're going to continue to see. So that's exciting news finally. Woo! But if you would like to, like I said, to see anything, please put them in the comments below. We love to see what your ideas and different things you'd like to see. We also have been adding frequently asked question videos, and at the end we're adding little life hacks that can make your life easier, because that's what it's all about. Just, I always say, I want our clients and people we know to stress less and smile more, and we try to provide value so exactly those things happen. You can check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Vivid Lifestyle Realty. You can check out our website at vividlifestylerealty.com, and they have blogs there. You can search properties. If you need free buyer guides or seller guides or any type of value that can help you out in your journey, please let us know. Helping to make your real estate dreams and wishes come true is truly what we live for, why we do what we do. So we hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.